The suspect in the shooting is in custody. We have multiple casualties inside the synagogue.
The police
We have
run
3
in while
officers
they're alone.
shot.
Parkland, Santa Fe, Pittsburgh, now Thousand Oaks. And not just skin.
A suspect is in custody after opening fire this morning at the high school against Santa Fe. It's a developing story. We're getting details coming in. We want to turn right now to the situation.
Unsure of where shots were coming from or who was being targeted.
We had no clue hearing the gunshots. It was scary.
Marlene Meckham put her workplace on lockdown as first responders moved in.
Oh no,
There are any more
not
threats
again.
inside the building. That's all we have at this point.
Coming on the air with breaking news, a school shooting with reports of multiple fatalities, this time in Santa Fe, Texas. It's outside.
Capturing the horrifying moment the gunfire erupted. Playing out in dramatic audio. Shots ringing out, accompanied by the shooting unfolded during a purported live stream of the video game tournament. And people running for their lives.
Police on the move. If you listen, you heard
The
shots
sheriff's
being
office
fired.
says the lone suspect is dead.
Shopping mall complex there. We have the video that was taken in the parking lot outside Germany right now.
It's become a nauseatingly common occurrence in America. Another mass shooting in a year of mass shootings.
Taken and shots being fired.
Students coming out of that high school, their hands in many cases are in the air. Also, heavy tactical teams are on the ground. Again, this is the FBI agents from Miami are en route to that school in Broward County, Florida. The reporter is still at large. We have been watching